up, my honeys? Welcome back to the channel. A video y'all have been waiting for. It is none other than the training collection. We're focusing on shorts and leggings. So in this video, you can expect to have a full review on their short shorts, their regular shorts, their crop leggings, their 7/8 leggings, and their regular full-length leggings. The absolute only item that I was not able to get because it wasn't in my size was the loose-fitting shorts, okay? So that's about all we don't have. And real quick, PS, I'm actually wearing one of their dope training bras from the collection. Full review coming soon on all the bras. So let's get into this video, but if you are not already subscribed, welcome. My name's Ashley. I make new videos on all things fitness every single week, so definitely hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, do the damn thing. Let's go. So this entire collection that you're about to see, everything right here, has a very uniformed look. It's all practically the same thing, just different lengths. So every single short and legging you see in this collection is made of the exact same material. You're looking at 78% polyester and 22% elastane. So it's very wicking, you can feel it. The stretch is very, very apparent. It's real ultra stretch. And it has the most buttery, soft feel you will ever feel in your life, girl. Second skin, this is it. You want something that feels like the same type of feel of the Lululemon? Yeah. These are all high waist as well, okay? Not each of these leggings and shorts have the exact same color options either, so we're gonna go over that. So let's start with the shortest of the shorts here. It's their short shorts. This is in the color Claret, but they also have charcoal and black. So these are darker colors of the bunch. If you like brighter colors, just wait. So again, high-waisted, buttery soft. These do have seams. They all do have seams, but they feel and fit, in my personal opinion, like seamless. Ugh, buttery soft seamless, girl. That's a heaven to anybody. Every single short and legging in this collection also has the identical logo, which is vertical right down the hip bone in white lettering. And it feels a little bit of grippiness. It's got that little bit of that grippiness going on. And it also has the shark face right in the center of the back of the band. So we are looking at each of these shorts and leggings being 4 inches with the band, okay? For me, this comes up to a perfect height above my belly button a little bit. It's not too overly high where it's up at your rib cage, but it's not like low where you squat and your bum's hanging out. So 4 inches is, Speaking of squatting, these are all squat proof, even the lighter colors. I tested every single one, had Bae help me, you're welcome Bae, and it was right in front of this daylight window, so everything is very opaque. Again, this is just how it's fitting me and everything's squat proof, so yes. So, pertaining to these short shorts in particular, yes, they are extremely short, but damn are they super cute and sexy. What I actually really love, thank you so much Gymshark, is for not putting a seam down the middle here. You know what that means, girl. You know, the unwanted, the dreaded camel toe. This don't happen here. And it does have a little gusset, all right? So stretch around in this baby, do whatever you want. So to give you guys some reference on just how short these short shorts are, from the band to the shortest part of the shorts, I measured coming in at 6 inches. So 6 inches, 4-inch band. And of course now this isn't a size small, so it does vary. I'll have my measurements down below, but everything you see here today is in a size small. You do have a seam running down the back. You do have seams up at the top here, right at on top of the band, and you do have them on the bottom here. So as you can see guys, it does have that waterfall look. The cut is really interesting where it's higher on the sides, then it goes lower towards the crotch. Gymshark's starting to do that a lot, even with their swimsuits and things. So it's a really flattering look, and I'm cool with it. These short shorts don't ride up like I thought they would. All right, they act like Spanx. So if you wanted to wear these underneath looser shorts, you totally could, and these would be really great for that. But guys, other than that, if you're into the short game, these are really nice, and for 25 bucks, oh, God help me. Okay guys, so we're moving on up to the regular shorts. These, from the band to the shortest part, is 8 inches. So extra 2 inches than the short shorts. So this is in the color Sunset Pink. It's the same color as my training bra. I've been loving pink lately. Yes, Gymshark, you get me into pink? What? These were $25 as well. Thank you, Gymshark, for not tacking on extra money for a little bit more material. It also comes in black and blue. Okay, a little variety. But pink, spring, summer. So the exact same thing as the short shorts, guys. Really, same exact thing, but just 2 inches longer. I personally would use these a little bit more just because I like to feel a little more conservative, but girl, you do you, and whatever you feel comfortable in. I'm just glad Gymshark made different kinds of shorts for different kinds of training, different gals, you know? And guys, just like the short shorts, look at that gusset. It runs straight down like a railway, all right? There's no interruption there. You do a split. Go for it, girl. You don't know how? Practice. You can in these shorts. Okay, guys, we are moving on to the cropped training leggings. I got it in black. They also have green and blue. So for me, I'm 5'3". I am very short. These cropped leggings come right below my knee. They're super cropped leggings. They fit a purpose, all right? Summertime, less material, I'm cool with that. Any other time of the year, these are too freaking short for me. That's my preference. The length from the band all the way to the end is approximately 18 inches. And again, it depends. This is a small. Again, I'm gonna reiterate, this is squat proof, just like everything else in this collection here. I honestly thought that the Vital Seamless was the most comfortable, soft material item that they had. Not anymore, right? Training is where it's at. If you really love that buttery soft yoga vibe feel, you wanna be stretching real comfortable, these are so dope. And I can't even believe how inexpensive they are. This baby's only $25. Yeah, you heard that right. 25 for the leggings and 25 for the shorts. Gymshark. I got nothing bad to say about these, honestly. No camel toe, I mean, because you don't have that annoying seam running down the middle. It just is a very flattering type of like yoga. Oof, new fave. And guys, I honestly want to say like how much I appreciate that the band stays put. Like when you're in mid squat, it doesn't gape, it doesn't do anything weird. It really, this is a hugger, this set. If you like that hugging your skin and being your second skin. All right guys, next one up are the 7/8 leggings. My favorite. In other words, the Ashley Gayda leggings, because these fit me the best. It's a miracle. 7/8 for 5'3"ers. So this is in the color Dusky Sage. Obsessed. Love it. Oh my God, you're beautiful. This also comes in black, blue, and smoky gray, but I had to get this frickin' sage. I'm a sage girl, you know? Very earthy looking. From the band to the end is about 25 inches. So depending on your height, I'm really appreciative that Gymshark took that into account, that they literally gave the best variety in these leggings, in this collection in general, including the training bras. You just wait, girl. Since these are fuller length leggings, you have the gusset go all the way freaking down, diamond shape. Okay, there's a stretch in every single one of these. These are only $30 freaking. Ooh, you know your girl, she gonna get every color. This one, out of everything you see here, fave. These are all single tone leggings. There's no breakup of color whatsoever. They are super duper simple when it comes to the coloring here, but I'm cool with that, right? Not every day do I want to have all these color breakups and stuff. You know, sometimes I just want that minimal vibe. You feel me? I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. These leggings hug your booty so freaking perfectly. This material, the combination of material, is the best thing I've ever felt in my life. I could sleep in these. So I really like how they kept the seams a little bit minimal on this collection. But the one thing I do like, even though there's no real crazy contoured seams, you do have this one contour. All right, kind of swoops down, giving that little point. All right, it's pointing to your bum. Okay guys, we are moving on to the full length training leggings. These are in the color Intense Steel Blue. They come at a length of approximately 30 inches. So these are the longest of the bunch. So these are also 30. They didn't charge for extra material. This length comes in the colors black, this blue, claret, and pink. This pink, sunset pink. These were obviously long on me because I'm short, like I said before, but other than that, it's just the perfect fit all around. I absolutely love them. This and every other piece, I will say right now, is absolutely true to size. I'm a size small usually in all of Gymshark and activewear in general, and I got a small in all of these as well, and they all fit like a glove. I am loving it. The impact level, I would rate this probably more like a medium impact. It's still got that nice tighter feeling, the second skin. It's not loose. You can definitely like go for long walks in these babies. It's gonna keep everything nice and put together. So I would probably give it like a medium impact. It's not high intensity whatsoever. It's not heavy compression at all. They're yoga based kind of leggings. And for this price, Gymshark literally, they nailed it. They nailed it with this one. I don't have anything bad to say. So far, I have nothing bad to say about these training leggings. I want one in every color in the 7/8 and the shorts. So guys, I hope that this review helped some of you out there. If you do have any questions at all, please feel free to comment down below and we will absolutely chit chat it up. And again, stay tuned because we are going to be discussing the training bras. So don't go nowhere. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Hit that bell so that you don't miss it. And again, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.